Hi guys, my name is Alim Zhilov. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the crowd or army simulation in Blender, and it's not so difficult way how to do it, but in this way it's not so multi-usable, but it's give you a good result if you have to create some general thing, not so specific. And yeah, let's get started. And firstly you have to three parts. It's like model with animation or without animation, doesn't matter. Just object. For example, I have some soldiers with animation. You can also download it from the Mixamo. I'm sure you know what is it. It's like a site, I think, when you can find some good animations. I've also just leave the link in the description. And the second part is like any lines you have created, you can create it like this here, just Bezier or NURBS curve. And the third part is like your terrain. Will you just project your particle system? Okay, let's get started. And firstly we have to create the plane, just simple plane, and let's just change a bit, something like this. And let's create the following on the curve. Just go to the modifiers. Before we have to apply all the transformation, go to the modifiers and curve, just like something like this. And okay. I forgot to subdivide this plane. Okay, something like this. Okay, and now one more time. I think it'll be enough. Okay, yeah. We have to this result, something like this. And just let's create some simulation of the plane. GX or I-axis. Yeah, I is right here, but it doesn't matter. Okay, just in the first frame, let's create the animation of the location. And in the, for example, here, just G, Y-axis, and something like this. Okay, let's check. I think it's quite not so fast movement. It's enough, I think. And next action, just go to the modifier. Okay. Yeah, we have the wrong position and let's check, let's fix rightly, and just up the plane, replace the location over here. But in this part I think it doesn't matter, because we just put the shrink warp modifier and just let's select the plane and project and click on the negative or positive. Okay, it's enough. And now we have we get such a movement of the particle. In the future it will be particle system. And now let's go to the particle system, create the particle like a higher mode, and let's decrease the value to the 200. It's enough. And now okay, we have the collection of the soldiers, and go to the particle, click advanced for the operate with the rotation. Okay, the first we have to go render, choose the collection and choose the soldiers. Okay, now we have some result, and it's look a bit strangely, and just let's to set the rotation and normal tangent. It's just given our the right or the correct position of the normals of each of our particles. How to explain? For example, before we set the normal tangent, we have such normal of each of our particles, but then when we set this one normal tangent, we have the right position. I think you understood. And now just let's change the rightly increase the yeah, just scale of the shoulders and just randomize a bit, and let's change the face something like here. Okay, yeah, it's done. And now let's just correct the speed of our plane. Oh, it looks really cool. It's enough, I think. And of course, don't forget to disable the plane, the particle in the viewport. Okay, yeah, we got it. It looks really cool, but of course you can to manipulate with your particle system, just something like this. Okay, yeah. And you have to understand that the roughness of the position each of your particle depends on the your global plane which you just projected your particle system. And if you change this one, the position of the each particle also changed. I think you know how to manipulate with touch actions. And yeah, we done it. Okay, sometimes it works incorrect because just I don't know what depends it on, but just go to scale randomize to 0. It sometimes just break the movement. Yeah, it's done. And yeah, thank you for watching, and just click the like if you like it. This video, I think it'll be useful maybe for someone. And yeah, bye, see you in the next video.